فوق السحاب يطير حرا مدركا نسمو كماله.
Hi everyone, I've got a lot of questions from you about why I am interested in Islam. So in this video I want to explain a little bit why I am interested in Islam. In the beginning of my journey, when I was reading the Quran, I saw that a lot of things are forbidden in the religion, and I didn't understand why. That made me actually more curious because I thought there must be a reason behind it. So I started to read more and to do more research in order to get answers to my questions. After I did a lot of research, I started to understand why. The things that are forbidden in Islam are actually things that are not good for us humans. For example, riba is forbidden in Islam, and that makes sense to me because this is a system that allows us to use someone who is in need of money. And it is forbidden to drink alcohol and to eat pork, and these are things that are really harmful for the body. And it is not allowed to have relationships before getting married, and this can protect us for being used by someone. And it tells us to dress modestly, and that can help us to respect ourselves more. These are just some of many examples I can give you of what I think that can help us to live a better and healthier life. So I hope that this video makes it a little bit more clear why I am interested in Islam. Thank you for your understanding and for watching this video. I see you soon.